God, this is part 2. Sorry the recording stopped. Because it was too much. So this is actually the part 2. Yep, but they're gonna do it again. Yep, we're gonna do the grand finale. This is actually part 2 because the recording stopped. I guess that's how long their videos can go, right? That's why they end at some point. So I made a full video. That means I'm a real video YouTuber, right? And this is part 2.
Here we go. Move, Micah, get back.
Yeah, they might set up a real firework, Daddy. Might set up a real...
Yeah.
Maybe put in the streets. That's better.
Watch it, here you go. About to explode. If it don't, well, I'm gonna be mad.
Yeah.
This is bigger.
I bet the bigger, like this massive one. Then we do the sparkler.
No, we ain't doing the sparkler.
Oh. This is the real grand finale, guys.
Yo, this is the last one.
Let me take that off.
Why you take that off? Don't take that. Why you take that off?
Why?
Cause you weren't supposed to take that off.
You can just put it back on. Because it can still fit. Oh, this is a real grand finale! Hope it works, guys. If it doesn't work, it might be so. Gonna in you, maybe. We started with the little fireworks, right? Daddy, what are you doing?
Making sure they out. Watch out.
Okay, the grand finale is starting, guys. The grand finale is done.
Get back, Micah.
Good. I think we should get the one. Next time, let's get the ones that really like go on. Yeah, like boom. Yeah, we should get those because everyone gets to see them, right?
That's a nice little fireworks show.
Yeah. Just with fireworks that don't fly in the air and go boom, baby.
So your YouTubers, bye.
Yeah, bye guys. Peace out.